The online course, Synthetic Phonics and Beyond. This is a practical online course and outlines how to implement PLD's structured synthetic phonics teaching within year 3, 4, 5 and 6. The course outlines what to teach over the school year, when and how to screen, how to report on student progress, and also how to cater for that range in ability. There are advantages to the online course. Firstly, there are short instalments, each of the instalments targeting a different issue or area. So instalment 1 targets the placement test, instalment 2 the marking of that placement test, instalment 3 the targeted teaching groups, instalment 4 the weekly routine, instalment 5 frequently asked questions and students that are slow to progress, instalment 6 decodable reading material, and the delivery of phonic dictation. In total, the course is around 2.5 hours in length. You can view the material and again over a period of 3 months, and once completed, it is possible to access further support through the PLD office. Further details of this support will occur towards the end of this video clip. The course commences with a focus on spelling. There is a placement test. The course outlines how to interpret the range in spelling results and also how to mark those spelling tests. And also importantly for the complex students, how to interpret the scores and the profile presented. Teachers will be encouraged to utilise the tracking sheets that are downloadable through the PLD site and entering the percentages. Now that's only part of the process, because once the percentages are entered, what you're encouraged to do is then to cluster your stronger students, your middle of the range or average students and your lower students together, and then to detail what is the implementation plan, what is the targeted teaching that is required for each of those targeted groups, and only 3 targeted groups, not 6 or 7, but just 3 levels. So from the delivery of the placement test to the marking, and then the use of the tracking sheets to establish an implementation plan, and 3 targeted teaching groups. 3 levels. 3 levels of words, 3 different lots of concepts for decoding and encoding, and also, but then the same task. So the same task is delivered to those 3 levels. Now, whether the words are taken from the Phonics sight word sequence or from time savers, where the words are already colour-coded, teachers should gain confidence in how to manage 3 groups. A 30-minute structure and outline is provided for literacy blocks so that the targeted teaching of structured synthetic phonics occurs systematically within that literacy block. Also, for middle and upper primary classes, what's the weekly routine, and what's the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday tasks? Monday and Tuesday focusing on the sound structure and the phonic structure of the words. Midweek, the vocabulary nature of the words, because I can now read and spell words I don't know the meaning of. And then later in the week, tasks that will develop that ability to transfer concepts that have been learnt into extended writing. It's imperative that phonic dictation passages are integrated within the routine, so that words that are learnt in lists are also transferred into passage level tasks, whether that is repeated reading to build fluency and familiarity with the phonic concepts, but also a phonic dictation. Also in the course is a focus on reading, and particularly the students that are operating at a junior primary level. There is a reading screen. So you might be in middle and upper primary, but checks need to be put in place to look at early reading skills for this particular group of students, looking at how accurately they're reading phonic-based words, but also their automaticity. And are they reading the words as whole words? Are they sounding out each sound, or are they reading with some chunking? On the basis of the results from that assessment, it is possible to assign appropriate decodable reading material. It is possible in complex middle and upper primary classes that for that percentage of students, it is possible to add that information onto tracking sheets. For the more age-appropriate students, the list words that are being learnt are then also rehearsed at a passage level. Now, following the completion of this course, further support is available to all people. Questions can be asked through the PLD site and also to the office staff, but assistance with your tracking sheets can be provided so that a very clear and well-devised implementation plan for the term ahead is established. It is hoped that with this learning that educators will be in a position to more effectively deliver PLD structured synthetic phonics programs to the students within their care. If you found this information useful, don't forget to click the subscribe button and check out our related videos shown here. If you have any questions or feedback, please add them to the comments below and we'll be sure to respond. Otherwise, you can reach us via live chat on our website, pld-literacy.org. Thanks again for viewing.